World Cup
Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined for expert analysis by Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Italy versus Germany.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Good-looking sequence. It was a menacing attack, but tidied up. Did well to win the ball back. Applying vigorous pressure. Emerson. Giving the ball away. Is it going to be? And how well the keeper did.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there.
And he's fired over the corner. An ordinary header. And that's probably being charitable. Ciro Immobile. Barella. Well, lovely work to get past his man. Chance maybe. Well, they survived the attack. And the emphasis is on creativity. And the keeper did more than enough. And there's the delivery. Well cleared away. Leon Goretzka. Oh, big chance. Careless in possession. Ciro Immobile. Barella has it. And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw. Gundogan. He's got space. Müller! And he couldn't bag the first goal of the contest.
Well, I can't believe he's missed the target there. That's a poor finish.
Barella. Really good reading of the game to win possession back.
Wow.
Geometric precision from Sané. Ilkay Gundogan's in behind. He's blocked it. High quality defending. Gundogan. This is Müller. Well, it's one pass after another. But then the commentator's curse comes into play. It's a high-level tackle. Brilliant. Goretzka. Vital interception. The danger was very real. It's been slipped through by Marco Verratti. Can he put them ahead? And still an opportunity. Goalkeeper's point of view. So disappointing.
Well, there it is again. And the striker does everything right. Hitting it across the goalkeeper, making it difficult for him. And then a player coming in for the rebound. What a good goal it is. Everything right from the striker's point of view.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Rudiger.
เราจะปัดนี้จะปัดมันว่า
It's with Gundogan. Leroy Sané. Can they trouble the opposition this time?
สักเลย
Gnabry.
Well, as you can see, Italy have found it difficult to control the tempo of the game here, but their speed of attack when they win the ball back has been breathtaking. It's been a really good performance from them so far.
Is this the moment?
ไอ้
And a goal here from Lorenzo Insigne. Well, as a defender, you can do as much homework as you like. Sometimes you just can't stop your
หนัก
man.
มันหนักก็เป็นจุดกับหัวตัว
Well, it's a goal you'd expect him to score, but he kept that shot and he put it away nicely. He'll be happy with that.
So 2-0 now. Well read to put an end to that attack. In behind for him to chase. Not a bad ball. A goal! As they cut into
Not
the
a bad.
last. Still
Oh,
plenty of
yeah.
life in this match.
Well, let's look at this again. The cross just couldn't be any better, could it? Whipped into that danger area, but the keeper should do better at his near post. That's gone in far too easily. That's not good goalkeeping.
So Germany just one behind now, and who's to say the momentum isn't with them at this stage? Well, possession is the watchword inside their own territory. Jorginho. Giovanni Di Lorenzo. Domenico Berardi. So almost at half-time, and they are making good use of home advantage. Still a bit of work to do, though. Stuart, your thoughts on what you've seen?
Well, it's been a good watch so far. Both sides have tried to play on the front foot, but they do look more threatening in the attacking areas. And in my view, they deserve to be in front.
Well, a pass that lacks quality. And good use of advantage. The referee allowing play to continue. Everyone wants to see officials let the play flow in that manner, but now the free kick has to be awarded. Giovanni Di Lorenzo. Bonucci. Verratti now. Chiellini. Barella has it. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Sané. Well, easy one to cut out, really. And so it is, the first half story has been written. And Leroy Sané. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Verratti. Won it back. Good visualisation and execution. Well, I must say it did look so promising, but the flag is raised. Offside the verdict, Stuart.
Well, he's just too eager there. It's the right run, but he's made it too early.
Bonucci. Berardi has it. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. A complete miscue by the goalkeeper. Will there be a price to pay? Werner. No managing to beat him. Timo Werner. Able to clear the danger, at least for now. Trying to deliver it accurately. And denied by the crossbar.
Yeah, he does really well to get to the ball first, but he just couldn't keep it down. But it was close.
Verratti. Barella has it. Moving into the advanced position. And a penalty it is.
Lo che fa? No, ma controllo. Non ci vedo.
Well, there might have been a case for a yellow card, but the referee didn't see it that way.
Well, Derek, it's a foul, yes. A penalty, absolutely. But for me, it's not a yellow card. The ref has got that right.
Can they extend their lead? And the keeper denies them from the spot. So making the substitution now. And there's the delivery.
Yes.
No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. Well, they've given him too much space. Müller. Oh, there it is! Unbelievable! They're right back in this.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So underway again, and it's a story of parity. 2 goals apiece in this one. Well, danger here as he runs at them. Goretzka. Oh, it was a close run thing, but the goalkeeper just got there first. Werner. Here's Goretzka. He's made sure nothing came of that. This might be ideal for the counter. Will they have the guile to open up the defence? Has a go. Priority was to hang on to the ball, which he did. Really nice ball. Not going to get away with that because it's offside here.
And he shouldn't be offside there. He's gone too early, and that's a waste of a great opportunity.
Barella. Immobile now. Well-timed tackle. Kimmich. Werner. Goretzka. And a fantastic diving save. They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Played over. Not really the ideal clearance.
Yes.
Well, they have the ball once more. And he takes it on. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Mizo with the corner. Good pressure high up the pitch. Goretzka. Kai Havertz. And he takes on the shot. Well, the keeper has outdone himself. Wonderful save. Verratti.
Well, these fans are pushing their team on here. They sense a winner's coming.
Well, far from the ideal pass, you've got to say.
Sorry.
Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Leon Goretzka. Werner. Oh, surely! Still possibilities. The high press was very much on. Superb block. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Will they profit from this situation? Immobile. That might be decisive. And just look at the supporters.
Well, just watch this again. A change of pace, a change of direction, and a decent finish. That's a very good goal.
Mỗi khóc. Gọt sợ một bạn.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove
Tại vì đây
decisive
sẵn sàng
here?
rồi.
10 minutes to go then. Now take it away. They look as though they want to make this move count. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. And the counter looks on here, options available. Oh, good vision.
Áp tàn luôn rồi. Đấy ông này.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Underway again. We can't complain about a lack of entertainment. 3-3.
Sta tan bello lì.
Barella. On the attack, is there to be late drama? And the keeper's given it away inexcusably. Well, technically offside, but not by a lot. So a personnel change then. Kai Havertz. Stuffing out the danger. And he's got the beating of his opponents. Immobile. Well, a really important piece of goalkeeping at this stage.
Well, it's such a key moment in the game. That's a really good save.
Now the delivery. They couldn't take advantage of the chance. And there's the whistle. They can't be separated after 90 minutes.
Tụm lột cái bộ đường luôn. Việc sao rồi? Đấy.
Sao rồi?
Đấy. 팔로우 에. 됐다. 오빠. Karena bola stream buat dia gitu. Udah pandai lagi.
Well, the ball rolling again. No end to the action. It's the first period of extra time. And I must say, this has been a back-and-forth type of game. Kai Havertz. Well, it was a foul, but good use of advantage by the referee. Penalty. Verratti now. And he was in the right place to intercept. Pellegrini. Well, visionary passing.
Hắt vô, hắt vô.
Xin ra.
Splendid save.
Anh lên đấy em rồi nó chưa.
Take it short. Verratti. Following it in. Didn't get past him.
Goal trên lỗ.
Corner right on the back of the last one. Take it short. Verratti. Corner once more.
Đi đúng về.
Favouring the short one. Verratti. Verratti has it. And a useful cross. A cul-de-sac in terms of the attack.
Đúng một cái vở cái gì.
Quite possibly a yellow card as the flow was stopped. And yellow it is, a booking.
Yeah, he was too impatient to win the ball and probably deserved a yellow card.
Cross played over, but no one can latch onto the ball. Takes the shot. Diving magnificently to make sure he got there. Can he deliver it with accuracy? And clears his lines. Good pressure to win the ball back high up the pitch. And no way through. The first period of extra time comes to an end. Still level. And so 15 more minutes. We're into the second period of extra time here. Emerson. Verratti now. Jorginho. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. Pellegrini. It's with Emerson. Verratti. Good vision. It's a superb save.
What a big moment that could prove to be. The keeper's just kept him in it. What a save.
Excellent defending.
Well, time is running out to get this winner, but the fans certainly believe it's coming. Just listen to the noise. What a fantastic finish we could have here.
Pull it.
It's a completely wasted throw-in. On the attack as there's been late excitement. Werner. Well, that pass easy on the eye. And the keeper grabs it. Well, there's 5 minutes left in extra time, and a penalty shootout beckons. Werner. And now Havertz. More than equal to the task. Well, this forthcoming corner might just do it. Could be the last. Ball is loose. Well, what an opportunity, but really good defending, you've got to say. Joshua Kimmich with the corner. Lack of guile with regard to that cross. Goalkeeper's ball. Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. From one side of the pitch to the other. Not a huge chunk of added time, 1 minute. And he couldn't quite get himself back on side, Stuart.
As a player, you need to be able to change your mind. But he wasn't able to, and that's a poor pass.
And they're on the front foot, looking for a winner near the end of this game. Dealt with that ball comfortably. Really vital interception. Locked together in these two sides.
Penalty. Sempre
And this will test the mentality of any footballer. Well, straight at the goalkeeper. And he steps up to take the shot. And that is straight into the goalkeeper. And there it is. Perfectly executed. And just like that, he's come up with a save. Oh, he saved it. He's come to the line and won. in front of goal. The responsibility is on his shoulders. Failure to score, and they lose. Penalty. And now a excellent opportunity to win the match.
จะเปลี่ยนไปเลยว่าจะเขียนอะไรตัวว่าจะเป็นนักเรียนแล้วเราด้วย
không đi tập